Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, viewers. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey, uncovering India's path towards achieving a globally recognized currency. Economic powerhouse, India, the world's third largest economy, holds immense potential for the rupee's global recognition. With a growing share of global trade, India's economic might positions the rupee on the international stage. Market momentum witnessed the transformative efforts of the Reserve Bank of India as they foster a vibrant and liquid rupee market. Stability and trust. India's stable political climate and robust economy inspire confidence in the rupee. Discover how this stability, coupled with India's growing economic importance, fuels the rupee's appeal as a reliable and secure currency. Prepare to be astounded by remarkable facts and data surrounding the rupee's rise. Did you know the rupee ranks as the 13th most traded currency globally? Its share of global trade invoicing and foreign exchange reserves solidify its position. The way forward. India's strategic roadmap for the rupee's global recognition is promising. Witness the key steps to further elevate the rupee's stature, including: increase India's share of global trade to boost demand for the rupee. Make the rupee market more open and liquid for seamless business transactions. Achieve full convertibility of the rupee to allow unrestricted use by foreigners. Promote the rupee's utilization in international financial markets for effective hedging and investment strategies. Benefits and opportunities. As the rupee gains global acceptance, India stands to reap numerous benefits. Increased trade and investment opportunities, reduced currency risks, and enhanced financial stability will catalyze India's economic growth. Conclusion: we've witnessed the extraordinary journey of the rupee's ascent and explored the roadmap for its global recognition. Join us in upcoming episodes as we continue to unravel the forces shaping our world. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more engaging content as we explore India's remarkable transformation towards a globally recognized rupee.